Kel and welcome to my reading corner. Today I'd like to read you the book Dear Zoo Noisy Book by Rod Campbell. If you've got this book at home, quickly go and get it and you can read along with me. But if you don't, just enjoy the story. So let's get started. Dear Zoo Noisy Book. Are you ready to meet the noisy animals? I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me what do you think it is? It's very heavy. Let's see. An elephant. He was too heavy. I sent him back. So they sent me a giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. So they sent me a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So they sent me a, let's see who it is, a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a, let's see what's in the basket. A snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a, I wonder what this one is. A frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they thought very hard and sent me a, from all your friends at the zoo. Let's see. A puppy. He was perfect. I kept him. Oh, it's still barking. Okay, I'm going to be asking you some questions. If you've got this book, comment down below if you know them. Now, press the animal who is too tall, and what is he called? Too grumpy, and what is he called? And too naughty, what is he called? Comment down below if you know. If you had one of these pets, which one would you have? Comment down below as well. Hopefully you liked the book and you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the big thumbs up if you like it. Bye, see you next time.